Hi guys, let me introduce for you Nourvit Python protector. So we download uh, Nourvit, it's about 300 mega, and install it. It need Windows 10 and uh, 10 and 11, okay, 64-bit, okay. So after we install it, we find icon in our desktop. Just only double click. He will ask register email. Press this one, register, listen. It's free. Just only email, no name, no nothing. Just only put email, 8 letter or number or mix as you like. Okay. Create account. Now, if you don't find it in inbox, go to spam and choose it trusted. So next time don't find it, you will find it in your inbox. Okay, I will do that directly from my mobile, so for time. Okay, let me do that. If not send, resend it again. Okay, to be sure you receive it. Okay, here we go, I have it now, and here verified my email. Now verified. Let me now go to my dashboard, put my password. Okay, you don't need to go to dashboard, but if you want to download help file and site zip file, we will talk about it later. You must go to dashboard. Okay, here your dashboard now. So let me take this email and put it here. Okay, here we go here. So now he will open, and now if we want to protect GUI only signal file, you can choose this one. A whole project, you can choose the whole project folder, and the first one who start, it's like main.py, I mean the first script who run. Okay, let me now try to signal file. Let us see. Look, before, let me show you the code and you will see the result. Okay, here we have, for example, this one, test one. It's about bottom and save text or whatever. Okay, now we will turn it and protect it through our tool. Let us try. In same place you can find the exe. Okay, now let me go to tools. I will select test one, by script, and here I have Anti-Debug, anti-dump from memory. Okay, self-destruction, any play with that exe, it will destroy code automatically. And we have here an script string, sometimes with very big huge code, maybe accepted, maybe not. For that I don't make it default enable, so check that so it's fit your code or not. Okay, but here I will choose it, for example. Now we also rename local variable. Okay, everything we can now protect code. Okay, look, I press here building. Now I will find the exe in same location, by script folder. Okay, let us see. Building, still building. Okay, done, success. Let us go. You see here we have main exe. And if you see the size, it's about 600 kilobyte from 1 byte. Okay, so let us try it. As you see, now it's anti-debug, anti-dumping with full protection and exe, and no tempo file, no tempo folder in hide place like some tools. Okay, some tools do that. Some tools open that in tempo file, in tempo folder, sorry. Okay, now let us now, so let me delete it, because now we have this one, main and test. This is both in one, what I say, it's a project. Main will start, and this one like another script, main import. I can import it from main. Okay, so we have two scripts. And if we want to protect project multi script, just only choose the folder. So here the folder, I choose the folder. Now I will tell him which one it will be start. Okay, okay, I have here main, for example. I will go now to tell him the entry file is main, okay, main.py. Okay, now he will protect main and test by. In example, I have two. For example, if you have 10, 20 as you like, no problem. He will take all folder, protect all script, this obfuscate, encrypt, anti-dumping, anti-debug, self-destruction for all. Okay, and build that exe. Okay, now let me show you. Protect, same like single by. Okay, success. Now he built it. Let me see. Before I will show you code. Here main, we have this one. This is code. Okay, this is the code, and here we have, for example, we have two. Test is here now. Okay, so this multi script. Okay, let us see the exe. Now combine to all project in one exe. Look here we go. You see, now we have the both one in one exe, protected, fully protected. Now let us go and check what more than protecting code. More than protect. And before we say this, exe, you can choose icon. If you want icon, prefer to make it with icon, choose icon. It support only icon till 256 size. It's very good resolution, right? So now we have two things. We have offline lesson, we have online lesson. Okay, let me explain for you how to use it with offline lesson. Now let me clean all this so to be more clear. For example, I want to protect test one, or if I want multi, I can choose, but just I want to protect only test one with hardware ID. Okay, let us see. So now I will choose the script. I will choose this, choose test one, and all of that in script, anti-debug, all this. We will go now to offline lesson and choose this. Okay, if we have it's optional. If you have key pair, you want to use it always, you can do that. But if you don't, he will make it automatically. Look now what he will do. So we have now to build it. Now we choose offline protection. Okay, let us see. Now he built. Okay, done. Look here in folder what happened. He built the exe. He make listen keygen. You will enter through cmd. Okay, and he make also key for that. Okay, this one. Now how we will use this? Okay, now we will ship the exe. And by the way, this is very important, I don't explain it very well. When you ship your exe, you don't ship any library with it. You don't ship Python, even embedded Python. You don't ship anything. You just ship your exe protected code. What will happen in user machine? If he find Python, okay, he know automatically. He know automatically here. If he choose auto detect, he know all this library. So if he don't find Python, he asks the user, please install Python. He install Python. After that, he will check automatically. He know your script from import. He know all library he use, or even if a project he search for all scripts and import and see all import libraries and he remember them. So after he find Python, he will ask this library. What he will do? He pip install them automatically. Automatically he do that. Okay, just to try this. If you want, if you have a clean Windows, no, I mean no Python, no libraries, no nothing, just take the protected exe and execute it, and you will surprise. He will ask first if they are lesson. He ask lesson. After that, maybe, or before, I don't remember. No problem. Same. He ask Python, and he ask after that library. He not ask. He installs them automatically, as I told you. So now, and now let us see how offline work. So user, now he has this main exe. He executed. What he will see? He will see this. He asked him here to for this is the hardware ID, and here he expect to have key to work activated. So this one, if you choose listen offline, must send it to developer. Here we have a message, send this hardware ID to developer to receive your lesson key, then paste it below here. Okay, now user or your customer send you this one. Okay, what you will do, you will go, okay, let me before show you exactly how that works. Let me, before I take this key, let me go to CMD and show you exactly how that work. Okay, now let us go to D, CD. Okay, no problem. Now what's the name here for this? Okay, we have lesson keygen. Okay, we will put it here .py. So okay, now he expect key pair and user hardware ID. Okay, where you bring this key pair here, as I told you, he generated automatically for you. Each script he protect, he may, if you choose listen offline, he will do that. He will make the key and make this one. So it's long for you to write it to in CMD. Let me rename it whatever. Let me rename it D, for example, D dot pin. Okay, so it's easier now. D dot pin. Okay, just only copy this, put it here. Okay, we have now this one. We choose this here. Sorry, before I must make a flag. Okay, no problem. Key pair. Okay, and now I put the path for it. Now I will go to another flag for hardware ID, HWID. Now I will take from user his number ID. I will take it from here, from protected one. No, okay, this one. So I will put it here. Now press you have now the listen key for this user. Okay, if you Control C, take it and send it to email. Now he will use it here. Put this here and activate. That will work. Okay, as you see now our example is work. So this is how to use listen, activate your offline. Now let me tell you about another things here. As I told you, exe, if you want to choose icon, you choose icon. This one, as I told you, C, what she will do, she scan all your script auto and remember all your library. Okay, and install it for automatically also for your users. Okay, now for reason X, we don't know, some library have a problem and he don't catch it, or name change or whatever, so we need to do that manually. So we know our library, we disable this and write library through comma or library, so he will install them automatically according to manual package you put here. Okay, and we have this one also. This is very important. When you make any XE, just if you don't I mean, it's better to choose it, right? It's better to embed it. This is very important for XE, so not accept any change. Choose this one when you build any XE, no problem. Okay, now we have the online lesson. Online lesson, if you embed it, you can embed both, okay, but let me now disable this and make offline. Offline, it need lesson server URL. This one, I will tell you in dashboard. I made file full site PHP. Just only extract this zip file. You will find, okay, I have it anyway. I have it here. Okay, as you see, you have it. So make any folder in your site and drop. You can change protect to any. For example, if you have sport software, restaurant software, hotel software, whatever, okay, call it hotel, sport, but not two words, okay, no space, just only one word, and drop it in your site, and just only change this variable here. We will go to, and by the way, you don't need PHP, sorry, MySQL table. So I made it through JSON. He saves them all in JSON. Okay, save all. He saves them all in JSON. Okay, so it's easier. So just if you want to convert it to MySQL, this is the, up to you. You can do that. Okay, so you have to change this variable. First one, this is for admin. We will see now. If you want to, this is hard coded. If you want to change it, we will see later. Just only here the site name, or for example, I used to protect it now Nourvit Python protector. You, for example, have restaurant application, hotel application, whatever. Okay, just um, change this. Okay, and change also URL, the place where your site is. Okay, and what need more? This two now we will need to change, and also you need to change from email your site. For example, you will receive from this email, and support email if you have, as I don't have, I have just only same email. We also need to change CMTP. I have it here in my Hostinger. I use Hostinger, and port, email, change password. Okay, I mean just only to let him send email for user when they register. Okay, you don't need to change letters, because letters it's use your site name or your application name. So just only change this one, name of your application name, URL. Okay, and this, and email configuration, so your email and your pass, so you can send, let him send registration verification to your client, okay, or user. So, and we need also to change this one in server lesson. In server lesson, we need to change this. Let me see where. Here, server lesson. We have this one here. Sorry. Where is it? Okay, here. Okay, first one. API key. Okay, your API key. This must equal like this one, like in software. When you protect exe, if you put here, for example, any name, for example, this for 5G, you must also inside here 4G, same. Okay, if you don't do that, protection through site not work. Okay, now after that you need also your server URL. I mean this one. Okay, for me, for example, protect. Now it become like that. If you see this, check this here. So you see this one, it must be here. So we have, this is two is very important, and we have the third one and last one important. Okay, this one, this where to check listen, and this API key you have to put it here and to put it in listen server PHP in the first line, same, exactly same. Okay, now what we have more, we have this one. As I told you, you need registration. Let me log out this one. So can tool know, so point to user, so to go register, you must also choose this one here. Customer email, no, this one. So this 3 is very important to put. This where, for example, here your site, you can change this. This folder, or I choose this. You can choose any folder you want. Okay, you can choose any folder you want in your site, and put the complete URL. Now this must exactly like in listen server, you must both equal. Okay, and the third thing I will say register. Okay, you will register here. Now grace period, if you don't want to give offline to user, so if he will check each 10 minutes, but if no internet, he will give him 24 hours. But if we don't want that, we'll put here 0 and fail close. This is very important. Always choose this, because if he fail and you don't choose this, he will work really, and only warning. So we don't need that. Only close if fail to register, and put here 0. Now let us see what will happen. Okay, let me protect text 1 with this. Okay, now we disable offline. We now make online lesson, and okay, but let me tell you something. It not work. Because in my I must put my IBI key to my site. I don't want to do that. Okay, I will, because I built it with setup. Now I cannot rechange it. Okay, just only in this way, but only this way, and build it. After you build it, you can find it in same directory. I will show you my exe. Since I cannot do that, I cannot now put my key. Okay, so you see now, in this way you protect online lesson. You upload site, zip file, extract it, make folder in your site, put what inside zip file, you will find it in your dashboard. Change in config PHP, you change, as I told you, you change this, because let us now, okay, here you change name, configure email, okay, configure that email, put password and your email, okay, from your site. And I recommend really Hostinger. I use it for years. It's very good hosting company. Okay, if you want, if you don't have, if you're wondering which one is good, Hostinger is very good. Now, what more? After that, we will go to lesson server PHP. As I told you, don't forget API key. You use it here, must equal like with this. Don't forget this, okay? After build, you will have same like my exe. Let me show you my exe because it's the same. Okay, let us close this. Let me show you now what will happen if I cut internet. Let me cut internet. So now, if no internet, let us see what will happen. You see, he cannot check, not work. So let us build internet and go to site. There are inside admin login. Okay, in admin login, default admin 123. You can change it hard coded in config PHP. If you want to change it, you must change it anyway. Admin, I will change it anyway. So you can change URL also if you, so nobody know. Now I have this one, so I can now, he is active. Look what will happen if I disable his activity. Now let me see what we'll see in exe. Look now, lesson failed, lesson revoked. Okay, now let us active again. I will active him again. Okay, let me now change this. Look what will happen here. If we change the days here, sorry, now we are in, let me back to this day, okay, and update. So 3 days before, no, sorry, I'll choose later. So we have 13 days. Let me back 1 month. Here we go. Okay, now he expired. He finished his 13 days. And by the way, you can choose not only 13 days, any number of days you liked for any application. Look here in config, I make it also as variable. Look here, trial days. I choose 13. If you want 10 days, 2 days, whatever you need, just only change this one. Okay, now let us back. Expired. Look now the beauty in your protected exe. What will happen now? User finishes the trial. Look what will happen. Lesson failed, lesson expired. Okay, lesson expired. So what more we have? Here you can filter them. You see all your expired. Now I think this is enough. Any question, guys? Anything? Just only you can ask me in LinkedIn. Really, I use LinkedIn too much. Any question, just make a comment and I will answer you. So, guys, thank you very much. Just only try these tools. Protect through protect your code, protect your exe through, as you see, through offline, online, and see how it's part of powerful tools. And the best things here, when you ship the exe to your client, you don't ship anything more. Just only imagine 3 mega, and exe will do all stuff for you. Installing Python, installing library automatically. Try it in Windows don't have Python, and see how she asks you. See how will install them. Pip auto install them all and detect them all auto. If you want also, as I show you, you can choose manual. Okay, I think now everything is clear. I hope. Any question, just ask. Okay, thank you very much, guys.